Before carrying out this procedure, it's very important to carefully read the instructions and the information sheet contained in the package of the repair kit. Sand the affected area with P220 sandpaper. Clean with a dry cloth. Now clean with denatured alcohol or acetone. Mix the putty and catalyst. Now spread the amalgam, leaving plenty. The stucco must harden for at least 3 to 4 hours at a temperature of 20 degrees centigrade. At lower temperatures, it's necessary to use a jet of hot air. A hairdryer can be fine. After the necessary time has elapsed, sand the affected area with P220 sandpaper. Now sand with P320 sandpaper. Clean with a cream detergent. Now, it'll be enough to rinse with a wet sponge.